different, mighty different. Oh, without you here, check it. When I think about all the times that we both had as youngsters, we grew up knowing we were brothers, but I still try to get it out of my head. Your time on earth will show from someone whom you never met. If I could rewind the hands of time, I'll gladly replace your life with mine. Yes, I truly do miss you much. There's only one thing I have to say is I miss you much. Yeah, in the morning, or late at night, every second to me don't feel right. Miss you much in the morning or late at night. This feeling I've been holding on so tight, I just cannot explain it. Whom do I have to blame it? Every time I sleep, I have nightmares instead of dreams. Until one dream I came to reality, that you've gone up to heaven where there's no pain, no tears and suffering. Yes, I do miss some fun, doing dirt, hanging with our loved ones. Cause when it comes to you, I truly miss you much. So I turn to the Lord, cause no one else can make another you. I miss you much. I miss you much. Too much of the day, baby. Late at night, this feeling I've been holding so tight. Taking it on. I miss you, my brother. Every little day, every little second of the day, baby. I miss you much. Woo! Won't you help me sing it? Ooh, oh yeah. I miss you much in the morning. I miss you much late at night. Every second to me, every little second of the day. Miss you much in the morning, on the morning, or late at night. This feeling I've been holding. Why can't you help me say, late at night, every second to me, every little second of the day. In the morning, I miss you, my brother. I miss you, my mother. This feeling I've been holding so tight. In the morning or late at night, I miss you much. Oh, help me sing it. Every little second.